Good morning. We will talk about the cell. We know from before that our body consists of system. Our body consists of group of system, and each system consists of group of organs, and each organ consists of group of tissue, and each tissue consists of group of similar cell. So we have body, system, organ, tissue, similar cell. Living organisms are divided in two types according the number of cells. We have living organisms that have many cells like us. We have millions of cells in our body. These living organisms are called multicellular organisms. So multicellular organisms are living organisms that have many cells in their body, like human, animal, and the plant. The other type of living organisms have only one cell in their body. These living organisms are called unicellular organisms. So unicellular organisms, the organisms that have only one cell in their body, like bacteria and yeast fungus. This is the picture of bacteria. First, we will talk about the multicellular organism, like human and animal, and the plant. If we look at the human body and the animal body, we will find that they have the same system and the same organ. For example, the human body contains digestive system, and the animal body contains also digestive system. The human body contains stomach, liver, pancreas. Also, the animal body contains stomach, liver, pancreas. From here, we know that the human body has the same system that the animal body have. So both human and the animal body are the same. So organs of human and the animal are the same. So the tissue of human and the animal are the same, and cell of human and the animal are the same. But the plant body is completely different from human and the animal body. The plant body doesn't contain digestive or respiratory system. It contains other system and other organs. First, we will talk about the animal body. Animal body consists of group of animal system. Animal system consists of group of animal organs. Organs consist of group of tissue. Tissue consists of group of cell. This is the animal body. An example of animal system like digestive system and respiratory system, urinary system. Animal organs like stomach, liver, and lungs. And this is the animal tissue, and this is the animal cell. So what is the animal cell? The animal cell is the smallest building unit of the animal body. The smallest thing in the animal body is the animal cell. Plant body consists of plant system. Plant system consists of plant organ, plant tissue, and plant cells. This is the plant body. So plant body consists of group of system. What are the systems of the plant? The plant have two systems. Root system, it is the part that grow under the soil, and shoot system, it is the part that grow above the soils. So the systems of the plant, root system and shoot system. The organ of the plant, leaf, stem, roots, and the flower. And the organ of the plant consists of group of tissue. The tissue of the plant is called epidermis. The tissue of the plant is called epidermis. And the plant tissue consists of cell, plant cell. The plant cell is the smallest building unit of plant body. Now we will discuss the plant cell in details. Plant cell consists of group of parts. The first one is cell wall. cell wall. We will know the function of each part. Plasma membrane, cell wall, plasma membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, chloroplast, sap vacuole. First, we will talk about the cell wall. The cell wall, it is the wall that surrounds the plant cell. Like the class is surrounded by a wall. Also, the plant cell is surrounded by cell wall. Here is the question. What can the cell wall do for the plant? The function of cell wall, it supports the plant cell and gives it definite shape. What is the meaning of the cell wall giving the plant definite shape? If the cell wall is square, so the plant cell have a square shape. If the cell wall is circle, so the plant cell have circle shape. The second thing in plant cell is plasma membrane. Plasma membrane or cell membrane surrounds the cytoplasm. A plasma membrane surrounds the cytoplasm. Its function, it controls the substance that enter or leave the cell. Plasma membrane act like the door. The door controls the substance that enter or leave the cell. That means if there is a good substance, the plasma membrane make it enter. And if it's a bad substance, the plasma membrane make it leave. So the plasma membrane controls the substance that enter or leave the cell. Nucleus. Nucleus is like a teacher of the class. It organizes biological operation in the cell. Like the teacher organizes the class. So the nucleus organizes the biological operation in the cell. What is the biological operation? The respiration, nutrition, everything that the cell can do. Number two, the nucleus responsible for cell division. Nucleus responsible for cell division. Cell division is duplicating the cell. That means make more than one cell. Help us to grow and forming new cells. So, cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the fluid that fills the cell. Cytoplasm is fluid that fills the cell. Fluid means liquid. All the cell components are suspended in it. What is the function of cytoplasm? All biological operations occur in it. Green plastid or chloroplast. We know that each living organism needs food to grow or get energy. Also, the plant is living organism, so it needs food to grow. Okay, human can get their food from kitchen or our mother cook our food. How does the plant make their food? The plant make their food by chloroplast or green plastid. The chloroplast make the food for the plant by photosynthesis process. Now we will discuss the animal cell. Animal cell is like the plant cell except two parts. This is the animal cell. Animal cell consists of plasma membrane, cytoplasm, the fluid that fills the cell, small vacuoles, and nucleus. So, animal cell is like the plant cell except two parts. The plant cell is characterized than the animal cell by presence two things, cell wall and chloroplast. The animal cell doesn't have cell wall or chloroplast. Both animal and the plant cell are similar in the presence of plasma membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. So plant cell have cell wall and chloroplast, but the animal cell doesn't have cell wall or chloroplast. Therefore, the animal cell has indefinite shape because it doesn't have cell wall. And we know that the cell wall gives the plant cell its definite shape. We said that we have two types of living organism, multicellular organism and unicellular organism. Now we will discuss the unicellular organism. They are integrated living organism. That means they have all parts that make them do its job. Integrated, they have all parts that make them do its job. Unicellular organism can't see by naked eye. We can't see the unicellular organism by our eye. We need microscope to see them. Unicellular organisms like bacteria and yeast fungus. Bacteria and yeast fungus are unicellular living organisms. Give reason. Unicellular organisms are integrated living organisms because it has the ability to do all biological operation. Now we will talk about yeast fungus. This is the structure of yeast fungus. Yeast fungus contain cell wall, nucleus, cytoplasm, and vacuole. So yeast fungus doesn't contain plasma membrane or chloroplast. This is the component of yeast fungus. The importance of yeast fungus is used in making bread and is used in making alcohol.